Alright, here I am on the Huron River in Ypsilanti, Michigan. I've been gone over the road for 2 weeks. Some of the videos you've seen, I was in Texas and some other places. Now this river was popping when I left. The water seems down a little bit. I'm gonna sneak down here, see what's happening. First cast with this jointed, it's a jointed shallow diving Rapala. That was the very first cast right here. So nice little smallie. Well, it's just a little dinker, but these things fight pretty well. Get him back in there. And he's gone. First cast, first fish. Let's go. Second cast. This one looks like a little bit better of a fish. Second cast, second fish. Just a little dinker, maybe a little 10-inch, 12-inch, small little smallie. Let's get him back in there. These fish are really hitting on this jointed shallow diving Rapala. Fourth cast, third fish. It's just a dinky little silver bass, white bass, or silver perch or whatever. Let's get him back. All right. Caught 3 fish. Just about a handful of casts. So I think that's time for a catch one, chug one. Cheers. And I'm gonna switch it up. Toss out this little crappie jig right here. See what happens. First cast on the ultralight. First cast on the ultralight. No size to it, but they call these silver perch. I believe they're just a non-hybrid white bass, but I don't know. Get him back in the water, see what else we can get. So so far that's 2 smallmouth and 2 little white bass. All right, so crappie jig. They're really these silver bass, white bass, or silver perch, whatever you want to call them. Now this one right here, if I was eating them, this looks like a spawned out female. If I was eating them, this one would be one that I might consider to take. But I'm just doing catch and release today, so they're kind of digging that. But I see a lure that I want to get. You see it right there. It's hanging from that tree right there. Somebody lost that. And I got my Crocs on, so I'm gonna pull my socks off. I'm gonna walk out there and I'm gonna get that. And that's the lure that was over there hanging. It's a nice little crankbait. I add that to my arsenal. Might even put that on and try it. Not sure what that was. It was fighting a little bit different. Could have been another smallmouth. All right. I think this is my last one here. It's not a bad size for these fish. It's not horrible. There's another female. Looks like she spawned out. Just going back in. Time to switch locations.